Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a full backup of the company data using Gateway of Tally so you can restore if needed. Always confirm backup size and date. Next, work in single-user mode or ask other users to log out to prevent synchronization issues. Open F11, features to ensure inventory features are enabled, and use F12. Configure to display voucher-level inventory controls, unit of measure, and decimal precision, so any opening stock edits are consistent and visible across reports. Open Gateway of Tally and go to Inventory Info, then Stock Items and choose Alter for each item. Edit the opening balance quantity field to 0 and save to clear quantity on hand at opening date. If opening balances were recorded using an opening stock voucher, create or edit that opening stock journal dated as of the company start and set quantities to 0 so value is removed. Review corresponding ledger opening balances only if stock valuation amounts still appear. And pass a journal. After changes, go to Display, Inventory Books, Stock Summary, and confirm each stock item's opening quantity displays 0 and that closing totals reconcile with transactions. Next, run the balance sheet and daybook to verify stock value ledgers, reflect any adjustments, and show 0 opening stock value. If discrepancies exist, trace entries in stock journal and daybook to find the source and correct the voucher. Finally, take a fresh backup of the corrected data and consider locking the opening period or restricting user rights to prevent accidental reopening of opening stock balances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.